PNP a chalk, JLP a cheese. Them talk about house. Them say them build house for poor people. Who not ever seen a PNP minister or prime minister open as much house as Andrew Honest? Make we look at the facts. When we took over in 2016, NHK built 1,859 houses that year. The first time we looked it in 2017, we got 3,000 houses for the year. 2018 we got over 5,000 houses for the year. 2019 we go over 6,000 houses for the year. And Prime Minister has now announced that we have built 70,000 houses for people who contribute to the National Housing Trust. PNP a chalk, JLP a cheese.
Give to people when you are. So when I not know the way, one term we don't need a second ratchet.
You remember how many? How many story not done yet, you know? Them buy out many for $250 million. You know, so we still pay feet. We are pay security. We are pay maintenance. We are maintain landscape and nobody know how to buy it. So at the $200 million with them pay feet, plus the $200 million over the last several years where I used to maintain it, that are over $500 million out of many costs with taxpayers of this country. How much house could half $1 billion bill for you? So when you hear them talk, and that's why I say me now come here, so just come hype the thing for conference, and I have to teach you some things. Everybody are complaining about KPH. People are complaining about Spanish Town Hospital. People are complaining about Maple Hospital. Why, if you're in a power for 18 years, JLP have to come and rebuild almost every hospital in Jamaica? If you didn't leave a legacy for healthcare, for Jamaican people can go to hospital and feel comfortable, Christopher don't have to go rebuild Maple Hospital, Spanish Town Hospital, Cornwall Regional Hospital, and in my constituency, Chapelton Hospital, which are going to open in December. So when I hear them talk about how them care about poor people, they only care about themselves. Because love is an action word.